guys can expect on day 18 of your menstrual cycle. Stay tuned. So I mentioned a few videos back that there will be a little dip in estrogen, bringing about some of those pre-PMS symptoms. So the estrogen is going back up along with your progesterone. So that continues to rise within about the end of the 3rd week. Because progesterone is more of a sedating hormone, you may feel also a little boggy or fatigued. It plays a role on the mental clarity as well, just probably foggy altogether, which may explain my moods the last 24 hours. Also with progesterone, you may notice that your food cravings increase. You may be craving more of a comfort food, and not only, I wouldn't say at this point you're eating just for comfort, because with the increase in progesterone, as I explained, it's a pregnancy hormone. So your body's anticipating that you're gonna now be eating for 2 or 3. So with that being said, you're probably gonna have more food cravings around day 18. That would be day 18 in the books, you all.